Yo, what's up Fortnite fam? I'm here to show you how to make your party private so randoms can't crash your lobby. Let's jump straight in. From your main lobby, head to the social panel. That's the icon in the top right. If you're on PC, you can press the escape button. Now click your avatar again and look for party joinability. Click that and select invite only. This locks your party, so only players you invite can join. And done! Your lobby's locked. No more randoms popping in uninvited. Pro tip: double check this every session, especially after updates. Fortnite sometimes resets settings. It hasn't happened recently, but sometimes it does. So if you're wondering why a random suddenly appeared, best to check this setting every now and then. Hope that helps, legends. Smash that like and follow for more quick Fortnite guides. See you on the island.